late at night, stay up to watch my good buddy Adam Sandler on David Letterman, ready to laugh. And then this happens.
In your movies, you run that stooge Dan Patrick in. He's in all. He loves you.
All right. And then they go to commercial break. And then apparently Sandler probably grabbed Dave by the collar to say, hey, that's my buddy. That's my boy. And then came back with this.
Love you, family.
Now, when you see Dan Patrick, when I referred to him as a stooge, it was only a light-hearted reference.
He knows he's a stooge. Don't worry. He loves you.
Let's bring in Adam Sandler. Sandman, what happened last night?
Danny, I don't know what you did to make him so upset, but he's mad at you. And I can't get in between. Listen, David Letterman is an icon.
Yep.
You're working on becoming that, but what did you do to him?
I feel like he's jealous of our relationship. Let me start there.
Maybe.
Because, look, I mean, what's Dave going to do in retirement? Nothing. He's going to sit at home and be miserable.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. He'd like to be in a
that.
movie. He'd like to be in a movie. He'd like to get out, go to Hawaii, have fun like we have. We have fun together.
We do. But this is a man who he's older than both of us, right?
What, together?
Yeah, maybe. He's brought us nothing but joy. He kind of invented the way we talk, me and you, even more you than me.
Well, we're from the Midwest.
Smart Alex Midwest champions who are quicker than everybody else. He's entitled to call you a stooge, and you're supposed to just laugh it off.
But, Sandman, you agreed with him that I was a stooge.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait.
Danny,
Yeah.
I was making the word stooge like the rappers do with a horrible word. They make it where it's numbing. It means nothing. Stooge means nothing. Now that I said, yeah, he knows he's a stooge.
I don't know if I feel better about that, though.
Well, I got to tell you, I thought it was lighthearted and fun, and people love you, and people listen. David Letterman is even during the commercial, he said, "You know, Dan Patrick's not a stooge. I shouldn't have said that." I said, "No, that was fun." And then he came back and said what he said. He lightened it all up.
Oh, so there was banter about me. Why am I in David Letterman's head where he's bringing me up, Adam?
I think you kind of look like you guys have something in common. You're both tall.
You think I look like Letterman?
I think you have you both could fit in the same suit.
I agree with that.
That's right.
Here's the other thing. What was funnier, Letterman calling me a stooge or the fact that you wore the same shirt a year ago on Letterman? Sandman, is that your go-to shirt on Letterman?
That's all I got. I don't know. I swear to you, I have 4 button shirts in my closet, and I'm like, that one feels comfortable. And so I had no idea that was one I wore before, but I got to get some new shirts. My wife got me new shirts, but I just did itchy.
Yeah, it was a little embarrassing to see that. I felt bad for you.
I love you. Listen, my dress is terrible. I give you that. I was just with Michael Strahan and on that Michael and Kelly show, and I saw me in the monitor. It was horrible. I don't know what to do, man. But I love you. You did stay up to watch Letterman.
Yeah, you were very.
When are you sleeping? Why don't you sleep?
I wanted to see you.
Well, happy birthday.
That was the way I was going to
birthday.
close out my birthday, was to watch you and laugh into the night.
Oh, were you with your wife when you
Yes,
watched it?
yes. And I turned to her, I said, I don't think stooge is a compliment. She said, no, it's not.
Oh, you what? That's what got you riled up. Your wife said that wasn't nice, and you were like, oh, if your wife told you that's cute, you would have went, yeah, it is cute, isn't it? I can't believe this, man.
Yeah, if I would have been up just by myself, I probably would have went, yeah, that's pretty good. That's funny. You know, he's name dropping. But my wife is there, and she's that's not a compliment.
I love that Letterman watches you.
He did. He may not anymore. I know you're busy, as always, but thanks for clearing that up. Don't be afraid to buy another shirt, okay?
I love you. You're the best. And the boys, are the boys on? Were they offended by this?
They appreciated it. They didn't want me riled up. And then Fritzy, of all people, who gets sensitive over anything, said I should let it roll off my back. So
Exactly. That's right, Fritzy.
all right, I feel better now.
I love you. You're the best.
Thanks, Sam.
Letterman loves you too.
Thanks.
I know he does.
Thanks.
I know he does. I'll call you. I'll call you soon.
All right. Thank you.
Later,
That's
boys.
Adam
Have a
Sandler.
great day.
Adam Sandler. The new movie Blended out next week.